Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find DLC or add-ons for games on your PlayStation 5. So typically, if you have a game and you want to find some DLC or add-ons, so let's go over to Minecraft, for example. And if we go on down, we should have the option to go to View Product under More. And here is the product page. Now, if we go on down under here, you typically have a section specifically just for add-ons. So you can see add-ons for Minecraft, Minecraft Tool Starter Pack, and then we can scroll all the way to view all add-ons right here. And this is everything I can buy from Minecraft. So you have to look through the game and just see if there's an add-on specifically for it. And then this is how you would actually download in the future too under Game Library. So if you got a game already, maybe Fortnite or something like that, or DayZ, I don't know. But here's Call of Duty. Just go to the product page and open this up right here. And then you should be able to download it for add-ons if you bought something on here. So it's very easy to do. Just scroll on down and go to where it says add-ons, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.